So hi, my name is BellyDance and I'm here today to teach you the Omi, but on what I call the Mambo step. It's not a mambo at all, but it's similar to a mambo step from salsa. And I am also inspired because I'm here in Tahiti training with Tahiti Ora in Ori Tahiti, which is Tahitian dance. So I've been inspired. So I'm sharing it with you. So this isn't Tahitian dance what I'm about to teach you. This is something that I teach in my school, BellyDance. But I just remembered it while I was here, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So basically, go back to the previous videos first where I really broke down the Omi in more detail. We'll do a crash course over it first, warm up first, and then come back and see me. And for now, let's just do a quick crash course in the Omi. So bend the knees. And your Omi is your interior hip circle, okay? So what you're gonna do is get your heels on the floor, bend and straighten the legs, and you wanna really access your obliques. Okay, so while I'm here, I should tell you, I also teach Ori Tahiti, so if you're interested in learning Tahitian dance, come and see me. I have lessons online if you can't take it with me in person in London. Otherwise, come to my classes in London. We'd have lots and lots of fun. I also obviously have BellyDance, which is my school of belly dance and belly dance fusions. So come and see me or take my classes online with me. So I'm going to teach you the belly dance Omi, okay? So this is up and up and up, and then it's front and back, front and back. When you do your lift, your pelvic lift, you're moving the bones. Lift the bones. And you want to keep the engagement underneath the belly, because if you contract upper abdominals only, you'll have problems later on with other movements. So try to keep the belly relaxed and engage down here. Okay? Alright, so from here, we are going to add on. We're going to turn into the Omi. So again, for more details, go to my previous videos on YouTube or on my online classes. You learn much more on my online classes than you do on YouTube, but hey, since you're here, have a flick through. So, I'm going, this is my left, front, right, back, okay? And we're drawing a nice circle. Now, you don't want to grip, so make sure you're nice and relaxed, otherwise you'll struggle to go faster and you'll struggle to walk with it or move with it. We don't want to be able to just dance on the spot, right? You're going to want to move as well. So, posture is very important. Relax, make sure you can breathe. If you feel any tension kicking up in the body, just try to focus on breathing into that area and release it. Okay? Okay, now, we have 1, let's do 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's do the Mambo. It is not a Mambo, okay, but it's similar, so that's why I call it the Omi Mambo. So we're going to keep this is my right foot, maybe it's your left on the spot. We're going to step forward, step, back, step, forward, step, back, step, forward, step, back, step, forward, arms back to the side. And since we're in Tahiti, if I was to forward this, my hands are not Tahitian style hands at all, but tareva. You need to put the hands out to the side. But we are belly dancing, so just put your hands out to the side, in line with your shoulders. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, let's do 2 circles. 2 circles per step. Okay, so 1, shall we? Let's do 1, 2. Yes. So now, just to make it easy for a second, we're going to keep this foot on the spot. We're not going to step it. So just going to go forward and back, forward. This one's going to help you to balance a little bit to begin with, and also to keep your weight down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So mainly my weight stays on this leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and on the spot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go a little bit slower so you can go deeper and bigger and more muscular. So 1, 2, 3, 4, get your obliques, 5, use your muscles, 6, make sure your legs are not completely straight, shift the weight, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 1, and 2, and 3, and another leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For now, keep this foot on the floor. 1, 2, 1, make sure it's forward and back, because you don't want your knees to do this or your ankles to do this. Keep them straight. Knees bent. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now at this point, you could change the direction of the circles, or you can keep them the same. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, together. 1, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4, use your legs. Breathe. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Stay strong. Breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 4 more. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'll do one more facing this way, just in case it's helpful, and then that's it. So, on the spot first, okay? Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe. 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to come to my classes, come and train with me. I'd love to meet you. Come and train with me. My school is in London, in Warren Street. And if not, all of my classes are available online via my website. We film every class that I teach. So you can take the course with us in person, at home in your bedroom if you like. And you learn with us week by week. So you progress as if you were actually in the class. There's always something new to learn, so come and see me and I'll look after you. Any questions, drop me a message and I'll help you through it. I also have belly dance, obviously belly dance classes, and belly dance fusions, okay? So Latin, samba, hip hop, my style tribal fusion, which is tribal from a trap, and Ori Tahiti, which is why I'm here in this beautiful place today. So you can take Ori Tahiti classes with me as well. Yoga, chakra yoga, left hand feline. Oh my god, there's so much to choose from. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you.